Hello guys, it's Omar Spook TV. I have this PlayStation 3 issue and I have fixed it. The disc won't read, and yes, I'm going to show you guys how to solve this problem without changing laser or anything. I can demonstrate first that it doesn't work. Just look. GTA 5 won't read. See? All you have to do is to take your PlayStation 3, put it up like this, and then you take the disc out and you insert it. It's now reading. I don't know what the fuck, I don't know why you have to place your PlayStation 3 like this, but yes, it works for me and it will probably work for you as well. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment my shit. Holla back at you boys.